All right, so here we are again, friends. It is National Absinthe Day. And you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, I thought that was banned in our country. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. But first, we're gonna make the drink. We'll actually be making a couple of drinks, but we'll get to that later. So the first drink we're gonna make is actually pretty easy. It was invented by Ernest Hemingway. It's called Death in the Afternoon, after his book of the same name. And it's 1 ounce of absinthe, and it's a teaspoon of simple syrup. Well, I forgot the teaspoon, so we've already eyeballed the simple syrup into the glass. So we're gonna add 1 ounce of absinthe. Ooh, isn't that pretty and green? Death in the afternoon, right? So we've got our absinthe, and the thing that Hemingway did, because he was a drunk, let's be honest, he added 4 ounces of champagne. Now remember, it's only champagne if it comes from the Champagne region of France, but we're gonna fake it with some sparkling wine. So once again, I'm gonna eyeball it. We're looking for a nice cloudy color because that's what Hemingway said it should look like, and well, again, drunk. So let's see. I don't think that's nice and cloudy. What do y'all think? We're gonna add a little more because I like champagne. So there we go. That is super easy. You can make it today. Go out and get you some absinthe, some champagne, and make you some simple syrup, or you can use a couple of sugar cubes. It's your choice, and enjoy your drink. And while I taste this for the very first time, this Death in the Afternoon, just so you know, absinthe was actually illegal in most countries, including our own, until 2007. Yes, that's right. This was very illicit at one time. Its French name is La Fille Verte, the green fairy. It has wormwood oil in it, which was widely believed to be a hallucinogen, and if you drank too much of it, it would kill you. That's not actually true. What would more likely kill you is just the high alcohol content in absinthe, not the wormwood oil, but it was outlawed in 1915, and for basically the next almost 100 years, you couldn't get it. During that time, there was a product on the market that was like absinthe, but it didn't use grand wormwood. It was called Absinthe, yes, spelled A-B-S-E-N-T. I think it had an E on the end. I'm going to tell you this, it might get me into trouble. Don't waste your money on that garbage, because it tastes awful. Buy the real stuff, because it's legal. And we're gonna taste this. Isn't that pretty? It doesn't look like death. Wow. I don't quite know how I feel about it. So, I would encourage you to make it. Make your own decisions. If you don't like black licorice, now that's the thing about absinthe. It does have a black licorice finish. I happen to like black licorice, so it doesn't bother me. But if you are anti-black licorice, then probably don't waste your time. But if you're open to new things, it's worth a try. See you later.